Benny Manuel II with TrainRelentless.com. Today in this video, we'll be discussing some fundamental principles so that you can get a deeper understanding and have more confidence when exercising to achieve your goals. In the previous video, we spoke about sets and reps. What is a set? What is a rep? Today, we're going to dive a little bit deeper into why sets and reps are important and what makes them important in your exercise program. The ability of the body to respond to specific exercises is one of the most important concepts of training. One of the unique abilities of the body is its ability to adapt, its capacity to meet certain needs that is placed upon it. So in every workout, or the purpose of every workout program, is to adapt or to make some type of change, right? So some people want it for just cosmetic reasons, which means you just want to look good. You know what I mean? You might be on camera, or you might just like hanging out on the beach, or you think it might attract who you're attracted to. So you just want to look the part. Okay. Some people do it for health reasons. They want to live longer. They want to have a strong heart. Maybe they've had health problems before. So they want to correct that so they can be around and enjoy their family. They may have heart issues. They may have had an injury before, or anything like that, but they just want to be healthy. And some people exercise for the adaptation of performance. They might be an athlete, right? They might be in competitive sports, or they just might be a competitive person and wants to perform. They have a high performing job. They have to move around a lot. They might like to run and do marathons or do mudders or whatever type of competition they're doing. So it might be from a performance standpoint. But in either way, what you do in training should be aligned and produces certain effects for what you want to achieve. So the type of training you do will determine how your body adapts and therefore performs. So if you're looking to run a marathon, that training would look a lot different than if you wanted to be on stage for a physique competition, or if you were an offensive lineman versus a volleyball player versus a senior who had reconstructive knee surgery and just wants to move and function properly. So the sets and the reps produce a certain adaptation so that you can have a certain outcome. So this is why sets and reps are so important, and just to be doing whatever somebody says or whatever may not be right for you if what you want on the other side of it is not conducive to the training method that you're using. So this is why sets and reps are important. You need to make sure they're aligned with your goal and check and balances and make sure that you're getting the result and your body's adapting in the right way that you're looking to in order to achieve what you're looking for, cosmetic, health-wise, or performance-based. This is one of the great things about resistance training. It's been proven to produce a variety of desired outcomes. So make sure that your outcome is paired with the application and the sets and reps that you are doing within your workout. Thank y'all for watching, and please smash the like button and give us a follow by subscribing to this channel. Train Relentless. We help dads gain confidence in their body through fundamental exercise and lifestyle principles.